It snowed bad last night. You know, there's a 2026 snowstorm in New York. It snowed pretty bad, and I have to work tonight. I worked a night shift. So I will not be driving in because I did not dig out my car. I'm going to wait till my son comes home. He said he was going to dig my car out for me, and I'll be Ubering to work. I'm going to Uber to the train station, and I'm going to take the railroad to work since I work in the city. But actually, my job was closed, and I'm lucky enough to work the night shift, and I'll be working the night shift all week. Oh, hey, Kat. Hey. Hey, Go-Go. She's being nosy. But I got laundry that I'm doing that's in the dryer, and I think I'm gonna go. I don't have to be on my shift until 5, but I'm gonna leave a little bit early because I don't know how the Ubers are working, and I don't know really. I have to find out the schedule for the Long Island Railroad. They'll probably be working. I have to find out the schedule for the railroad because they'll probably be moving a little bit slower today, and I'm going to prepare for work. So, yeah. I got my new cap for my root canal. Takes a lot to get used to. I'm waiting for the elevator. I'm at the railroad station. I'm waiting for the elevator to come up or come down. Here it is, slowly but surely. Oh, here it comes. 231 coming in the Grand Central. I think that's me. Did it just leave? What time is it? What time is it? I think the train just left me. The next one is coming at 2:48. Oh boy. Should they have a heated terminal? So I'm in a heated room in the terminal. So I'm just gonna wait for my train here.